Hi friends, hope you are all doing good. With the lockdown completely over and it's winter in full swing, this is a great time to travel. Well, since the train has not been regular yet, long distance travel is still not that convenient. But short trips are getting very popular nowadays. I am doing such short weekend destination travels since long time now and posting them on my channel. You can take a look at these destinations and surf my channel and visit these places easily. The pocket pinch is also less. They are safe and lovely destinations for short weekend travels. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates once they are posted. If you have any queries, comment it below and I will answer you back. I am about to meet my partner Omlan Dash. I met Omlanda and we had started today. Today we are going to another lovely destination, Jaipur in Bankura district of West Bengal. Jaipur is about 15 kilometers from the heritage temple town of Bishnupur. It is famous for its forest, but many don't know that it also has a rich heritage and culture. Today we will see a mix of nature and heritage. Come along friends, join us in this lovely journey. From Esplanade, Kolkata, you can catch a bus towards Bishnupur via Arambagh and get down at the Jaipur forest. It is about 140 kilometers and takes about 4.5 hours. If you want to avail train, there are numerous options from Howrah. You can take any local train to Tarakeshwar from Howrah and catch a bus from Tarakeshwar to Jaipur. Chali. Another option would be boarding a direct express train like Ruposhi Bangla or Aranyak from Howrah and get down at Bishnupur. From Bishnupur station, you would get trekkers for Jaipur forest. The forest is of 120 square kilometers with a watchtower and an immense water body named Samudra Badh inside it. However, we didn't visit them. The forest is not only famous for visual pleasure, many tropical birds will soothe your ears too. The main inhabitants of this wildlife sanctuary are cheetal, that is spotted deer, wild fox, wolf and elephants. An observatory inside the forest gives a panoramic view of the entire forest, though we didn't visit. There is an airfield within the Jaipur forest. The Pierre Doba airfield was designed for the American bomber aircrafts for their takeoff and landing during the Second World War. It was operational from 1943 till 26 September 1945, after which it was declared closed and was officially handed over to the British government. After this, it was never used again for any operational purposes. Since it's a wildlife sanctuary, most of the dense forest is still uncovered. Do not dare to take your own route while strolling in the forest. We are exiting the forest area now. As I told you before, that Jaipur has a rich heritage too. As it's not much known to people, most of the people only visit the forest. Being only a few kilometers from Bishnupur, the temples of Jaipur are a treat to watch and know. The following episode will take you to those bygone times. Please stay tuned, and the best way is to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all updates. Till we meet again, just a short bye and do take care. Thank you for watching.